You gotta say, hey guys.
Hey guys.
Say, welcome back to my mommy's channel.
I do.
Say, natural tinky.
Okay.
Say, my name is Shannon. Okay, so question number 1. Do you have instant locks? I never did. Here's a picture, boop, of, it will be almost, it'll be 3 years that I started my locks ago, 2018. That's where I started off at, right there. And right here, as you can see the ponytail pony? Oh, I gotta do it again. You see it? See this hair? Yeah. So, patience is a virtue with locks, but I feel like they grow quick. So let's get into question number 2. Question number 2. What are the pros and cons of having locks? So the pros, you're very natural. Another pro of having locks, you know, it teaches, I feel like to me, it teaches you patience. And patience is a virtue, as I just stated. I feel like your hair does real quick because you're not always in it. You don't have to always retwist your hair. And those are my pros, honestly. L, it's versatile no matter what anyone says to you. Locks are always going to be versatile. Now the cons, the only con that I had was the beginning stages. I didn't really care for it because the type of texture hair I have, it took longer for my hair to lock. But that was my only con. So Shannon is involved, of course. And question number 3. Don't mess with that. Would you say locks require the same amount of time management as natural hair or no? Yes. Yes, it does. Locks are natural. Even if my hair was loose, you still have to take the same type of maintenance. People think, oh, I'm gonna get locks and I don't have to do anything to it. Wrong answer. You still have to take care of your locks just as if it was loose. So, I use conditioner in my hair, leave-in as well. Some people don't. I like to because your hair is supposed to be moisturized and it's also supposed to be clean. And disclaimer. People say when you have starter locks, you're not supposed to wash your hair. That is false information. I need y'all to stop telling these people this. Okay. Question number 4. What made you start your lock journey? I always wanted locks. At first, I didn't think I would look, you know, good with locks. I didn't care for it, and I didn't really know how to care for locks until I did research and I wanted locks. All right, we're gonna put that down. Put it down. Thank you. He's so silly. So with that being said, I went for it. I just said, I'm gonna just do it, and I went with it, and I stuck with it, and I'm gonna be 3 years locked in September of this year. So, if you're contemplating about it, just go ahead and do it. You won't regret it. I don't regret it at all. Like, I love it. It's a journey. It really is a journey. It's a spiritual journey as well. It's loving yourself in a different way as well.
Mommy.
Question number 5. It says, how many locks do you have and what do you do to moisturize? I don't know how many locks I have. Actually, I was supposed to count, but I haven't, to be honest with you. Like, taking that time. I just feel like it's gonna take long. Not long, but I don't know. I'm being lazy about it, to be honest with you. Might do it soon because I am curious how many I do have. I want to say, put the back. Yes, I know. It's from my face. Put it back. Thank you. Curious too, huh? Yeah. Have children, right, sir? Huh? Nah, I love my baby. Oh yeah, what do I do to moisturize? I use rose water to hydrate, of course, and then I use my Jamaican castor oil on my scalp, and that's about it. You don't need to moisturize that much because it's not good for your hair. Only moisturize when needed. And also I use conditioner and leave-in conditioner when I do wash my hair. It's personal preference for me. I need to have my moisture locked in my hair because my hair doesn't feel moisturized and it's just dry for me. It's a no-go. And question number 6, what are some tips for barrels if you wear them? So I never wore Jesus. Anyway, I never wore them before. I only did 2 string twists. That's about it. I thought about trying them, but I think I want my hair to get a little bit longer to do that. But this concludes my questionnaires or questions that I have received regarding my locks. If you have more questions, go ahead and hit me up on my Instagram or my Twitter, or hit me up down below in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see y'all soon with another video. Peace.